Trinitron9 keyed up with the guys. It's already turning into a train wreck down here in Florida. Listen, you guys talk show up there in around Illinois. Sounding real good. Making a good trip down to Florida. Your watchmaker waving right back.
Hey, watchmaker, I'm bumping and grinding, sticking and moving. Hey, watchmaker, I'm bumping and grinding, sticking and moving. Hey, watchmaker's a dirty job, but somebody gotta do it. Break, break, break.
Boy, you dropping that big hammer today there, T9. Top of the morning to my friend T9, walking in the water, riding the wave.
Hey, watchmaker, you all by yourself right there. The video gate don't lie. Hey, watchmaker, you all by yourself, and the video gate don't lie. Hey, watchmaker, I'm just having fun in the water. I'm just walking on the water, riding the waves, and I'm having fun. Hey, watchmaker, happy 2019. Trinitron9 right there, right now. Break, break, break.
Yeah, right back to the other station out there around Illinois. It's rough and tough right down here, but I'm waving right back. Your watchmaker and the same power got down.
Let me clear up your radio. Hey, watchmaker, you said it's rough and tough. Let me put it where you can get it. Let me put it where you can get it. Hey, watchmaker, you said it's rough and tough. Let me put it where you can get it. Let me put it where you can get it. Break, break, break.
Oh, by yourself there, T9. Hey, top of the morning, Trinitron9. Happy New Year to you, my brother. You're doing well up there around Coney Island. Watchmaker right back.
All right, watchmaker, let me pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island, man. The video gate don't lie. I didn't come to stay. I just wanted to play. Hey, watchmaker, I didn't come to stay. I just wanted to play. Take care, watchmaker. Trinitron9. Bye, bye, bye.
How you doing there, Nitro?
And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Bye, bye, bye.
Sounds good, brother. Happy New Year to you, too. Hope you have a good one coming up. You and T9 got the hammer down on me right now. A little bit of Illinois coming in. But y'all sounding real good. I got a train wreck over here. Hey, Nitro and the Love, your watchmaker right back.
Hammer time, hammer time, hammer time. Hey, it's hammer time. Hammer time, hammer time, hammer time. It's hammer time. Take care, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, right back, Nitro. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure to have you on my radio. I appreciate it. You and Trinitron9 and everybody else out there in DX land. Sure is a blast, this radio. Sure enjoy. Sure on the bar. Take care.
Here I come again, watchmaker. Here I come again, watchmaker. Hey, watchmaker. Here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey, watchmaker, I'm just having fun in these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm looking at the Wonder Wheel, the roller coaster, the parachute jump. Hey, watchmaker, bye, bye, bye.
Boy, now we're going into the Keystone. Go from Nitro and Love to T9 to Illinois and into the Keystone. Hey, I heard you coming again, T9. I heard you coming. I heard you on that wave and you were riding that wave. You know, so keep it moving. Watchmaker.
By watchmaker, and I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I'm just bumping and grinding, watchmaker. I don't see nothing wrong. The man walking on the water, riding the waves. The man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down.
Hey, Trinitron9. With a little bump. 18-9, you're watching right back.
You got down and I got out. You got down and I got out. Let me cut the gate. Let me cut the gate.